Recipe for a natural collagen cream. It smooths wrinkles, strengthens joints, and firms the skin. And making it costs just a few cents. The main ingredient is garlic, but don't worry, you won't smell it in the cream. You'll need 8 cloves of garlic. Peel them and place them in a small pot with 1 cup of water. Boil for 5 minutes. Garlic is rich in vitamins A and E, which nourish the skin, and it contains allicin, a compound that slows wrinkle formation and helps reduce existing ones. Let it cool, then blend the garlic with the infusion into a smooth paste. Strain it into another pot, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix until lump-free. Heat gently until you get a creamy texture. Divide into 2 portions. For the first, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of aloe gel, and 3 drops of lavender oil. Aloe moisturizes and soothes inflammation, while lavender gives a pleasant scent. Store in a glass container in the fridge. Use it on your hands, décolleté, and face to fight wrinkles, boost cell renewal, and improve elasticity. For the second portion, make a healing collagen balm. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and your favorite essential oil. Honey reduces inflammation and speeds up healing. Store it in a glass jar in the fridge for up to a week and apply it cold to aching joints. Garlic also contains sulfur, which stimulates the body's natural collagen production. This recipe is a natural alternative to chemical collagen creams and costs only a few cents to make.